Mason, I brought receipts. Self-improvement edition.
That's either dangerous or deeply entertaining. Continue.
15 things rich people definitely do, and I'm checking them off. Look at me. Growth.
You sure that list doesn't say 15 reasons I'm broke?
How dare... Okay, yes, but I'm learning. Let's go one by one. Number 1, buy what you want, even if you can't afford it. Manifest it, baby.
That's not manifesting. That's debt in a glitter jacket.
But I deserve it. That boba was self-care.
So is having rent money. Most Americans carry over $5,000 in credit card debt, often from small repeat purchases.
I spent how much on vibes?
If you can't buy it twice, you probably can't afford it once.
Okay, fine. Number 2, investing. I haven't started. I'll wait till I have real money.
That's like saying, I'll go to the gym once I'm fit. The earlier you invest, the more compound interest works for you. Even small amounts grow huge.
So even my broke little crumbs can grow?
Your crumbs have power, but only if you stop feeding them to Amazon.
Wow, that hit like a delivery notification at midnight. Number 3, okay, I do spend more than I earn, but it's not my fault life is expensive.
Fair, but budgeting isn't about blame. It's about boundaries. More than 60% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, even high earners, because spending isn't tracked.
So I need to stop budgeting with vibes and vibes alone.
And replace hope with a spreadsheet.
A spreadsheet? Can it at least have glitter tabs?
Do what you gotta do, just make it real.
Okay. Number 4, I only have one job. Ain't nobody got time for 6 hustles.
But the average millionaire has 7 streams of income. More than 44% of wealthy Americans earn passive income through side hustles, real estate, or dividends.
So you're telling me I'm one paycheck away from a crisis?
Exactly. Multiple strings equals multiple safety nets.
Start that Etsy store with my weird frog art. Check. All right, last one for today. Number 5, I've literally never checked my credit score.
Never?
I figured if I ignore it, it can't hurt me.
That's not a credit score. That's a horror movie. Your credit score affects rent, jobs, car insurance, even your dating profile depending on the app.
Wait, it affects dating?
Some people swipe left on a 420 score, Zoe.
Cool. Just casually learning I'm financially unattractive on a Wednesday.
Start by pulling the report. Knowing is power.
Okay, but we're not done, right? I need the rest of the list. For science.
Next episode. And maybe bring a stress ball.
Starts in your head?
Spreads to your pockets.
Which of these hit you the hardest? Drop it in the comments. We're growing together, not broke together.
And hit subscribe. And go check your credit score, please.